This decadent chocolate dessert, which is halfway between a cake and a brownie, is so rich and delicious that people will be surprised to find out that it is gluten and dairy free. Last minute dinner guests coming over? No problem. This cake can be whipped up in just 30 minutes and requires only 4 ingredients. Start by roughly chopping the dark chocolate. Then melt it in the microwave or a double boiler. I personally think microwave is easiest if you have one. Next, whisk 4 eggs and then add the sugar. You don't need to incorporate lots of air for this recipe to work, so you could just as well use a fork or a spatula if you don't have electric whisks. Then add in the ground almonds, and as always you can find all the quantities in the description box below. Lastly, add in the melted chocolate to the mixture. And let me make sure that none of the chocolate goes to waste. The cake mixture is ready. I have lined the bottom of a springform cake tin with some baking paper, and I have also greased the edges with some oil, just to make it a little easier to remove the cake at the end. Bake the cake at 180 Celsius for around 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. My cake tin has a diameter of 20 centimeters. If yours is smaller, you'll want to bake the cake a bit longer, and if it is bigger, bake it a bit less. I like to top the cake with some icing sugar. Serve yourself a big slice and let the chocolate melt in your mouth. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for watching!